Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Chisholm's Code. And today we are going to be diving into something that is revolutionizing how we learn programming using AI tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot. If you're a new developer, these tools can drastically speed up your learning curve and boost your coding confidence and your experience. So stick around because in this video, I will show you how to leverage these amazing skills to supercharge your coding journey. With that being said, let's get started. What are AI tools for developers? First things first, what exactly are AI coding tools? Simply put, these tools like ChatGPT from OpenAI and GitHub Copilot use artificial intelligence to help you write code, debug errors, and help you learn programming concepts way faster. Think of these AI tools as your personal programming assistant, always ready to help you navigate through sticky problems. ChatGPT excels at answering detailed programming questions, explaining concepts, and debugging, while Copilot integrates directly into your code editor, suggesting lines of code and snippets as you type. Now let's talk about how ChatGPT accelerates your learning. Firstly, ChatGPT isn't just another chatbot. It's trained on a vast amount of data, making it an exceptional resource for understanding complex coding problems. Here's how you can effectively use ChatGPT as a beginner. Firstly, ask specific questions about syntax and errors. As a beginner using AI tools, you'll want to craft the best questions to ask the AI tool, so you'll be able to get the right answers to the questions you want to solve. Asking the AI tool the right question is key to understanding how these AI tools work. Secondly, request explanation for complex topics in simple terms. As a beginner, you would want to train the AI to give you the right answers and make it more specific and easier to understand. You wouldn't want the AI tool to give you a complicated answer, so asking the AI tool to generate the answer in simpler terms is quite helpful for you as a beginner. And last but not the least, use it for step-by-step coding tutorials. As you learn programming from most tutorials, you might come across a situation where something might be difficult for you to understand. Using this AI tool along your coding tutorial journey is quite helpful for you to understand why some certain codes work in a certain way. ChatGPT clearly explains the logic, syntax, and even provide best practices. This kind of interactive learning significantly enhances your understanding. Now let's talk about leveraging GitHub Copilot for rapid skill improvements. These AI tools integrate seamlessly with IDEs like Visual Studio Code, which helps you code faster by suggesting the entire function, algorithms, or even help you auto-complete your ideas. GitHub Copilot intelligently predicts what you are trying to achieve, significantly reduce the time spent thinking about syntax and minor errors. Think of it as a pair programming, but this time with an AI. Now let's talk about common pitfalls and how to avoid them. However, with great power comes great responsibilities. Relying too heavily on these tools without understanding them can be very detrimental to you as an upcoming software engineer. And these are some of the common pitfalls from many that you can avoid. Firstly, blindly copying a code without understanding them. A lot of upcoming software engineers make this mistake by just copying a code without understanding how it works. Understanding how a code works is a very important part to understand what that code actually solves. Sometimes the AI tools can generate an answer you are not in need of. So it's left for you as a developer to use the code of which you are in need of. You won't want to make this mistake of copying every single information that the AI tool generates for you. You should make sure you clearly read through the lines of code and understand each syntax and how it works. Secondly, over-reliance leading to weak foundational skills. You do not want to build your whole idea and your whole foundation on AI. Building all your foundations on AI tends to reduce your thinking abilities. And one of the important factors of being a developer is the ability to think for yourself in a critical situation. So over-reliance and over-dependence on the AI tool is not good for you as a beginner. And last but not the least, trusting AI-generated code without verification. One of your duties as a developer is to verify each code that the AI generates for you. You have to read through these lines of code and understand and verify why each of them work in a certain way and how it can be helpful to solve each problem you are trying to execute. Always make sure to understand the code. Use AI as a guidance, not a crutch. This approach ensures sustainable and long-term learning. And here are some of the best practices to maximize AI tools. Firstly, always verify and understand the suggested code. Secondly, experiment and learn by tweaking AI-generated snippets. And last but not the least, ask detailed and precise questions to ChatGPT to enhance your learning clarity. Another important factor is integrating AI tools into your learning routines. To really accelerate your learning, consistently integrate these AI tools into your learning routines. Spend at least 20 minutes daily experimenting with these tools to clarify your doubts. Explore new ideas and practice writing efficient code as you go through your journey. And trust me, consistency is key in mastering programming faster. And that wraps up today's video. Remember, AI tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot are not replacements. Rather, they are powerful allies in your learning journey. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with as many of your friends as possible. This is Chisholm's Code. Let's code, grow, and conquer together. And I'll see you all in my next video.